Hello all, my name is Abdurrahman and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another machine learning project video. In this video, I am going to do the project of speech recognition using speech recognition module in Python. Up to this point, we have been doing a lot of machine learning projects like car detection, car number plate detection, face detection, body detection, etc. And with that, we have used a library known as OpenCV. So we all of us know what is OpenCV, and with that, we have used an XML file known as hair cascade XML. So while detecting the cars, we use the hair cascade car XML file. While detecting the faces and while detecting the body, we use the hair cascade full body .xml. Those types of files we have used. But in this video, I am not going to use any of those types of files, but just I'm going to use a library known as speech recognition in Python. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, I have created a folder known as speech recognition, and then here I am going to create a file known as speech.py, and in this one I am going to import the speech recognition. Okay, so for doing that, let's give you something like import speech recognition as SR or SP. Let's give SR. And the thing that I'm doing here is speech recognition as SR, because whenever I have to use the speech recognition, like for example, when I create a variable and in that variable, I have to use the speech recognition, this module. So for using this module, I have to give the whole word speech recognition. So instead of doing that, while if we give the SR, then it's going to work it easily. We just need to give something like SR dot something like that. So let's create a variable known as A, and it's going to be equal to SR dot recognizer, and it's going to be the brackets. So here I'm giving here SR because I have imported the speech recognition as SR. If I were not to import this SR, then I have to give here the whole speech recognition. Now below this, I'm going to use here the while loop, and with the while true, I'm going to give the try itself. Okay, now I'm going to open something like with SR speech recognition dot microphone, and then I'm going to call it as the source. Okay, now here you may be thinking that why I have given the microphone and all of this stuff. I'm going to say that right now. So let's give something like say something, and it's going to be dotted lines. Okay, now here I have given here the while loop, and here in this case, while if it is the true case, then I have given the try this one, and that with microphone, okay, speech recognition microphone, then I'm going to call it as the source. I'm going to store this in the source, and then I'm saying that print say something. When I run this code, first of all, I'm going to get something like say something. Okay, and then below this, I'm going to create a variable known as audio equal to a dot recognize the Google. Okay, and then in the brackets, I'm going to use the a dot listen I should give, and then source I should give. Okay, now I said when I gave here something like say something, and then we are going to get this text in the terminal, and then below this I have the audio is equal to a dot listen. So here I have created a variable known as a dot recognizer. It's a recognizer, right? So and then I am calling this source. So now below this I'm going to give something like text, and this is going to be a variable. So for that I'm going to give a dot recognize Google. Okay, and then in the brackets I'm going to call this audio, which is this one, the variable. Okay, now below this again text, and it's going to be equal to text dot lower, then I'm going to close the brackets, and then I'm going to print here f. Okay, and then here I'm going to give the recognized speech. Now you may be thinking that why I have given something like f, and then I have given the recognized speech, and this is because I have to do here the format this string. So I have given the f, which means it's going to format this string, and then we after this recognize the speech, I should get here the text. Now it's going to work something like this. Now here I am going to give the accept. So that's because here I have given here the try, right? So on the try here I am getting the error, and that is try statement must have at least one except or finally clause. It's going to give like now the thing that that is going to happen here is with SR microphone I'm calling this, and then I'm saying that print say something. When it is printing say something, then I should say something like hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel or subscribe to my channel, whatever it is. And then it's going to recognize it's going to listen whatever I'm saying, and then it's going to convert it into the text, and then it's going to show me in the terminal as the text itself. Okay, now here I have called this after recognizing. It's going to show me the recognized speech, and it's going to show me that whatever I have told here right now. Okay, now below this I'm going to give it the accept, and it's going to close. And here right now I'm not getting any error on the try because I have just used the accept. Now I'm going to print in the brackets could not understand. Okay, and then I'm going to give the please repeat. Okay, now guys, this is because here I have the accept, and then while try I am trying all of this stuff in the bracket in the try itself, and then in the accept if it is not working, then it should give something like print could not understand what I am saying. Okay, so it should be give something like could not understand, please repeat. Now below this I'm going to give a, and it's going to be equal to sr dot recognizer, and then I'm going to close the brackets, and I'm going to continue this one, and then it's going to work. Now if I'm going to run it, then let's check whether is it working or not. So now it's getting me say something. Hello all, my name is Abdurrahman and welcome back to my YouTube channel or say something like that, and then it's going to show me print the text. Now I'm going to keep quiet for some time. Now as you can see here on the screen here, I have got the output, and it's saying it recognized speech, and it is saying that so it's not getting this is something like and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and then it's going to show me the text now, and then wait for some time. So I said that we need to keep quiet for some time, and that is I am not speaking clearly. Okay, that's why it's showing something like this. Now I'm going to delete it. Now after running I'm going to keep quiet for some more time, and then I am saying subscribe to my channel, or this is the speech.py file. Let's run it. So here I have created a project of machine learning project of speech recognition. It's going to print right now. As you can see here, so here I have created a project of machine learning project of speech recognition, and it's printing all of this kind of stuff. Okay, so guys, this is used in most of the places, right? So when it is recognizing the speech, okay, then it's going to work for a lot of people. So in the description this whole code will be given, so that you can go there and copy the code, and then please don't just copy it. Before that, try it yourself, and then later on check it with my code, and then run it. If it is working, then you have learned how to recognize the speech using speech recognition. So anyhow guys, that's all for this video. I hope you liked this video, enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in another tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.